how to restore Discord server owner crown. So if you want to restore Discord server owner crown, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Discord. Now after opening your Discord, you just need simply go with the server and go with the drop down. Go with server settings. Usually the crown should disappear once you set up your roles, but we will get it back. So once you're on your server settings, you need to scroll down and go with roles. Then all on the admin roles, remove admin permissions and turn on everything else. You can go with the permissions and then scroll down and you'll find the administrator option. Remove the toggle or turn off the toggle for administrator, which will be under advanced permissions on the bottom of your screen. Turn this off. After that, turn everything on. Once you turn everything on, go with save changes, which will be on the bottom. And here on the left side, if you have the owner, you need to go with the owner and then turn everything on except the administrator, and then go with the admin and again turn everything off for the admin. Now press Ctrl+R on your keyboard or restart your Discord. That's how you can restore your Discord server owner crown. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.